I am Siddhant. We just purchased a SRS-D9 Sony 2.1 multimedia speaker from Tremor. It cost us around 5k. So let us check that whether the deal was correct or not, whether we have benefited from it or not. So let us just view the features here. So here's you can plug a USB and play the songs. Don't expect a USB from it. And it has 60 watt output with digital amplifier and all the bullshits and all. We have a bass control and a treble control also, which is really exciting, you know. So let us just open it through Ashmit's cutter. Very fine cutter, you know. Let us start. And it is going to be amazing, man. There are some product information, stickers from Sony, some booklets which you don't use anyhow. So let us check what is available here. Here RC cables and a 3.5 jack cable, adapter for the power supply. And let us open the big shot now. Woo! 2 speakers with a subwoofer. This is what we expected. It's too heavy, man. Approximately 7 kg. Let us just install it and see how is the sound. Please unpack carefully. It's too costly, dude. Oh my god, see the beauty. Just see the beauty, man.
Awesome.
Let us just unpack the speakers. It's the right speaker, so we should place it in the right. Right in here. So this is the left speaker and the master speaker. As you can see here, the volume control button, the USB port, the treble control and the bass control with play and pause button and the next and previous button to toggle the USB. This is the power button. Now let us just connect all the cables and watch out. Pause button. Back. I have just connected all the cords and all. It's ready to play, man. Just wait for 3 seconds. Now this song you want to be played. We will play AFROJACK, man. AFROJACK.
DIMITRI.
I just connected it to my laptop, which is also from Sony. I trust Sony, man. Sorry for the inconvenience, dude. YouTube will always give you ads, dude.
Magic carpet with me?
Boo.
No problem, dude. You can wait for 30 seconds, right? What to do, man? No skip ad.
Then is that you love the story of Aladdin. Priya, will you be my Valentine?
Don't be disappointed. Not a full song, man. I just connected all the chords to full, bass, treble and volume, master volume control to full. But the inbuilt speakers are not on full volume. We will check. Welcome to the aeroplane, to Mamaland. Woo! I am slightly increasing the volume.
Let's go!